Joe Sansing Sai, Chai Chai, Nguha Cheche, Proserpina Ramirez Manalang, 48 years old with 3 sons. My older son age is 23 years old, my second son is 21 years old, and my third son is 20 years old. I working in Hong Kong 8 years. My working experience are taking care of children I send and I pick up in school, and I cook for them healthy food. I do household chores. I cooking, cleaning, car washing, marketing, ironing. I'm trustworthy. I'm patient. I'm friendly. I'm flexible working. I'm independent. I'm working without supervision, and I follow the instruction. Sir, ma'am, if you hire me, I promise I do my best in my job and I follow the recipe. Thank you and bye-bye and God bless.